Gold and silver traded sideways yesterday. Gold with modest bearish bias, though, while silver is almost stayed flat with a slight bullish bias, I can say. Now, what to expect today? Can we expect this trend to continue, or there is a possibility of a rise, or are we going to look forward to a crash here or a drop? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment, which is a great motivation. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch the. If you look at the gold on the hourly charts, you can find out drop, retracement, and it is trading in a range. 2420 appears to be the upper band, which it is not willing to break, while 2370-60 is going to be the lower end of this band. It has to come out of this zone in order to confirm a trend here. If you can look at the formation here, see the moving averages are trading with divergence. It is the 150 period have also crossed over. This is also a bearish sign here. What is happening here? You can see it is finding a support at 2380 as of now. That this appears to be our selling entry 2380-78 zone, where you can expect it to move towards 2370 levels. So if it breaks this zone, ideally we will be looking forward to 2370-71.5 as the first target. While I can see on the upside it is facing a little resistance here, it is very much hesitant to go pass by on the upside. So the bulls appear to be very much hesitant here on the early, while at the same time I can say that the bears are also not very much in control and the prices are getting very much stabilized here on the downside. Let's say which direction it gives a breakout. The stochastic is rising here. MACD, after a bit of retracement, it is willing to converge. A crossover here can result a little retracement on the upside. The RSI is almost flat at bottom. Coming to 2 hour, what has happened on the 2 hour chart? See, series of bearish candles here, finding the support. See, these 3 to 4 candles are important. You can see bigger tails here. Thus, the prices are very much hesitant on the downside. So now, once you see it is staying above 2390-94 zone, you can say that we will look forward to 2400 levels again, and beyond 2400, the possibility of prices moving towards 24 8, 10 levels first target zone, and then 24, 14, 16 the second target zone will appear. Here the moving averages crossing over here again is a bearish sign. Remember this fact. Stochastic rising. MACD, after retracing here, it is convergent here. Let's see if it crosses over. RSI is flat. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts, the moving averages have crossed over here. Good sign for the bears. And the possibility of a retracement also exists, where the prices may come towards this zone before taking a direction. So on the upside now, it appears 2420 is going to be one biggest hurdle for the day, and any movement beyond 2420 is the sign of reversal for the day. Till 2420, we should not be treating this as bullish for the day. Stochastic oversold, MACD is trading bearish, and RSI is almost flat at bottom. On the 4 hour, the observation is more or less same. One bearish candle, then a swing candle, then couple of bearish candles here. And yes, it is delivering lower highs and lower lows here. Now here at the current levels, if you are delivering couple of red candles, the possibility of it rising exists, but it has to break beyond 2390-94 zone. This is going to be prime resistance on the upside. The stochastic oversold, the MACD is trading bearish, the RSI is at flat at bottom. And if you look at the daily charts, but before we come into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or connect with me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And yes, those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. And now look at the daily chart. See what has happened yesterday. Modest bearish candle, and see for these 2 days the price is completely engulfed between this candle only. That is, it has failed to break the critical support zone so far on the downside at 2360. If you look at the formation here, it is delivering higher lows. I have shared yesterday as well, 2350, 55, 60. So higher lows are getting created and slightly lower highs are also. There's a zone of consolidation. And now looking at this, see moving averages are starting to converge. I will recommend you to buy at 2390 levels, where you can expect 2394 first target zone, 2400 second, 2400 for the third, and 2410 12, or rather I will say 2400 14 16, the important one. If it trades about 24 14 16 zone, we can say the little rise towards 2420 can be seen, and any movement beyond 2420 is a sign of reversal. Right now the momentum is not very much supportive of so much of bullishness here. It is very much trading sideways. Let it give a breakout either which ways. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 2380 levels. But if you're selling at 2380, rather I will say 2380 78, this is going to be the first support zone. And just sell below this zone, you can expect it to move towards 2370 71.5, the first target levels, 2362.5 65, the second, and below that we will see it crashing sharp towards 2350 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver on the early charts. You can find, see, drop there, and now see how much it is consolidated. It is just staying in the zone, delivering lower highs and higher lows here. I can see it getting very much hesitant at around 2720 level. So this is going to be one good entry for us to buy. But then remember, 2740 2760 is a zone it need to break in order to confirm the bullishness here. And once it stays beyond 2740 60 zone, the possibility of silver moving towards $30 levels will increase. Now also see the Bollinger Bands have narrowed here, which means that the movement it is going to give now, it's going to be stronger one. Right now also, if you look at the early charts, higher lows are seen here. Prices are very much hesitant here on the upside. Let it give a breakout. The stochastic at the overbought zone, MACD rising, RSI rising, good sign for the bulls. On the 2 hour charts, if you these two candles are important, coming with bigger tails. And now the third candle has started, possibly 2720, it can try to hit. And beyond 2720 is where little bullishness may prevail. And thus, if you see the prices staying above 2720 2725 zone, the lower price has to be about 2720 2725. That will confirm the further rise here. Stochastic rising, the MACD is also rising, the RSI is also rising here, good sign for the bulls here. On the 3 hour, now on the 3 hour charts, higher lows, look at the tails here. Prices failed to stay on the downside. Look at the tails. The bigger the drop, the bigger the pullback here. And see, the lows here are beautifully aligned. Thus, for the day again, it has to trade below 2680 2670 zone in order to confirm the bearishness here. As long as it stays, and in fact, let me include 2660 as well. This zone between 2680 to 2660 is going to be a prime support zone. If you look at the 3 hour charts, lower highs are, and thus it appears the bulls are very much hesitant on the upside as well. So once you see it is staying about 2720, possibility of price moving towards 2740 60 will increase. See, after the drop, it is just consolidating, which means it is still very much in this direction, which is a bearish direction. So long term is yes bearish. On the daily charts, possibility of a slight retracement exists. Stochastic flat, MACD has converged here, not yet crossed over. A crossover here can lead to reversal. Say triple bottom levels are seen here. A crossover here can lead to a little rise. RSI rising, coming out of the oversold zone. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts, price is trading with divergence, is staying bearish. Chances of it moving towards the 20 period exist is strong, and thus beyond 2720, little bullishness will prevail here. Yes, the stochastic is rising, and the MACD, after forming triple bottom trying to converge, we can see, or we can expect a little rise here. RSI is also rising. Coming to look at the daily charts, higher lows are seen here, and see, higher lows are seen, so possibly higher highs can also be expected, which indicates that there is a possibility of a retracement. Also look at the formation, one bigger bearish candle, second candle with modest bearishness, and the third candle trying to trade in green, so it could try to retrace. Moving averages are crossed over here and trading with divergence and bearishness. This is sign of bearishness here, and thus a little retracement, because see what has happened. You can look at the formation, the drop, the retracement, the drop, it could retrace. Where are the highs of the channel? Towards $28 levels. Possibility exists that it can show a little rise. A stochastic at oversold zone, the MACD is bearish, the RSI is at bottom. Looking at this, very simple, I will recommend a buying entry at 2720 levels, 2725 levels, and expect it to move towards 2740 2760 as the first target zone, 2775 as the next, and beyond 2775 we can in fact expect it to move towards $28. On the downside, ideally a selling entry has to be below 2690 levels, 2680 levels, which is going to be a good support zone. You have to see the higher prices below 2690 2680, where we can expect it to move towards 26 70, 2660. See, till 2660, at least we should not be treating silver as bearish. It has got its strongest support in the zone between 2650 to 60 levels. This is going to be the prime support zone. Even if it tries to trade bearish, as long as it respects this zone, you should not be treating this as bearish. Below 2650 is where the bears are waiting, and then you can look forward to $26 levels as the next targets. So for the day, a selling entry ideally can be taken at around 2690 levels, but this has to be strictly with a trailing stop loss of just 10 cents and strictly to be watched out for. As I say, swings cannot be denied, and on the downside, the support levels are very strong towards 2650, 60. It can bounce back again. So take your trades accordingly. See you again before the US session. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, join the free Telegram channel, and join the channel memberships. Reach out to me for your queries. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.